Hi everybody, it's Loretta again, and if you've been hanging with me, you know that I've been away for a little while and I'm playing catch up and filming some videos of some projects that I've done lately. This is the very first mini album that I have done with Jenofeve. I will link her YouTube channel and also her Etsy store in the description bar down below, but you guys go check out her templates because they are fantastic. This right here is called The Everlasting, and it's the first time that I've actually followed her videos literally step by step. Well, I did make a couple of very minor changes, but for the most part I've followed her videos step by step, and it was so much fun, you guys. How much fun is it as a paper crafter to just dive right into a project and not have to worry about measurements and not have to worry about if something's going to fit once you cut it. It's just awesome. So anyway, you guys go check her out. And also, I have a video of how to use her templates without a printer. And if I can remember, I will link that in the description bar down below as well, because I did work with black cardstock on this album. And it was nearly, I just couldn't see it, I'll be honest with you. I tried printing on the black cardstock and I could not see the lines. So I had to figure out a way to use the templates with a pencil so that I would be able to see the lines. At any rate, I've had several people ask me, and this doesn't, I need to put a dot of glue or something right there. I've had several people ask me about this paper line right here. This is Prima Rose Quartz, and I do love it. It's very, very pretty and super soft and feminine, and it almost reminds me of a wedding or something similar. It's real pretty. I love how the cover turned out. I just love this paper. Hopefully this bow's going to stay down now. I just put a little dot of fabric tack. This bow is a part of the printable, which I love. There's several different sizes in there. At any rate, so there's the cover. One thing I talked about in a video that I did just a minute ago of a completed album with pictures is that the magnets don't want to work once I complete these. So if this magnet doesn't want to work, I'm going to have to try to adjust it somehow. Yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do if that magnet doesn't want to work once I get pictures in here, because this is going to definitely expand. Although it does have some room. Probably, I would say, an inch. Anyway, alright, let's get started. You flip this open, and there is the first layout. And of course, this is a pocket, and this is a mat that comes out. Oh, I did use die cuts with a view foiled paper also in a very few little spots. But you'll see that as we go along. This is hard at this angle to get this tag back in, and I don't know why it's wanting to act so funny, because it's not. Okay. These also, do these flip down? Yes. They flip down. And then these come out. They're mats. And obviously there's two of them. Alright, and then flip this over. And yeah, it's a little tuck spot. Yes. And then that pulls out, big giant mat. So pocket with some tags. And in the end pocket, I'm not going to pull all of these out, okay? But there's a mat, okay? So there we go. Okay, so we'll go here. Come over here. This is a little short page, so I am going to pull that out and show you guys. A little short page there, which I think turned out super cute. Also does have a little pocket there. Okay. And on the other side, a little pocket. Okay. Belly band that opens. And there's a nice big mat in there. And this flips open. Okay, gives lots of room. Again, a little tag in the side. Okay, close that back. Now we have a gatefold door. Okay, room for a nice large photo. And pocket. Big mat, another short page. Oh, if I can get this in here. And then, there. Okay. This flips out. And this is a little bit different. Down. Okay. And this is not glued down, so I can put a picture underneath that banner. Again. And then this is the last fold out. Another. Large mat. Back. And then several tags in that little area right there. And y'all, that does it. I hope you liked it. I love this album. I think it's so soft and feminine and beautiful. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Leave me a comment. I love reading your comments, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Until next time, bye now.